Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the environment expectations when you're taking your test. Okay, when you start to take any test, the software will ask you to take a picture using the camera and then your student ID or driver's license or any kind of picture ID that's government issued or TCC issued, or any college actually, it would be fine. The other thing that you're going to be doing is a room scan. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so when you're doing a room scan, you make sure that you are not in the picture. So for example, if I'm doing a room scan like this, can I see anything behind me? Honestly, I can't. So when you're doing a room scan, you need to make sure that the camera is actually pointed away from you. Okay, the other thing you need to do is just go kind of slow, because if we go way too fast, I won't be able to see what I'm doing. So if I go way too fast, you can't really see as much. Okay, so just go slow, and you're going to do a complete 360. I'm going to start over here. I'm doing a complete 360. Okay, just like that. All right, the other thing you need to do is scan the desktop. So here I'm scanning my desktop, where you're going to be working at. It doesn't have to be an actual desk. It could be anything, anywhere where you're working at. Okay, a few things that you're going to also do, fix this real quick, is you're going to show your calculator, the one that you'll be using on the test. You're also going to be showing your reference sheet. So kind of go up kind of close and then just do like a real quick scan. I want to make sure that there's nothing written on it. You're going to do this also with your scratch paper. Just kind of do a brief scan through. Make sure that there's nothing on there. Okay. If you need more scratch paper, just say so in the video. Say, okay, I'm going to get up and get more scratch paper. When you do retrieve that paper, go ahead and just say, see, this is a clean sheet that I'll be using. Okay. The other thing that you need to know is if your cell phone is in the video and it's on, or you're messing with it throughout the test, I'm required to give you a 0. Okay. So if your cell phone is on, make sure to turn it off before your test and make sure to put it out of your sight. Okay, even if I hear the cell phone go off during the video, I'm supposed to give you a 0. So please make sure to have them off, okay, and out of sight. I really hate giving zeros because of that. Okay. The other thing I want to let you know is if you have a computer that has a camera but you can't pick up the computer because it's a desktop computer, what you can do is use a mirror to reflect your desktop. Okay, so what you can do is use a mirror to do a scan of your desktop. I'm going to go ahead and do an example. Okay, here I have a mirror, and all I'm doing, let's see, angle it, is I'm starting at one end of the desk, and I'm just going to do a slow scan across. Okay, so calculator and then everything else. If you're doing a room scan, you would do the same thing, as much as you can. Okay, it does take a little bit of practice, but it can be done. If you have any questions about the environment check or any of the information that I went over in this video, please send me an email before you take any of the exams. Okay, thanks.